Chemistry is cool. It's like magic but real. Everything around us is made of stuff, and chemistry tells us how that stuff works. It's like a secret code that explains why things happen. Want to know how cakes rise or why soap cleans? That's chemistry. Many people think chemistry is hard. Not true. Chemistry is exciting and full of surprises. It's about exploring, experimenting, and having fun. Let's make chemistry fun for kids. Let's do some chemistry experiments at home. You don't need a fancy lab. Experiment 1. The dancing raisin. What you need: a clear glass, some raisins, baking soda, vinegar. What to do: fill the glass with vinegar. Add a spoonful of baking soda, drop in a few raisins, watch them dance. The science behind it: the baking soda and vinegar create bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, making the raisins float and sink. Experiment 2. The rainbow density tower. What you need: a tall glass or jar, different liquids like honey, water, oil, dish soap, food coloring. What to do: carefully pour each liquid into the glass, starting with the densest honey at the bottom. Add a drop of food coloring to each layer. The science behind it: denser liquids sink to the bottom, creating a colorful layered effect. Did you know that cooking is like doing chemistry experiments? Baking a cake? When you mix ingredients and bake them, chemical reactions happen, making the cake rise and change texture. Making ice cream. Freezing ingredients and adding salt to ice lowers the temperature, turning the liquid mixture into a solid treat. Boiling water. Heating water makes the molecules move faster until they turn into steam, a gas form of water. Section 5. The curiosity connection, encouraging questions and exploration. Kids are natural scientists. They love to ask why. Encourage their curiosity. Let them explore and ask questions. Don't be afraid to say, "I don't know, let's find out together." Section 6. Tips for parents. Nurturing little chemists. Make time for science. Even simple activities can spark a love for chemistry. Be a role model. Show enthusiasm for learning and exploring. Provide hands-on experiences. Let kids experiment and get messy. Visit science museums and events. Expose them to the wonders of science. Section 7. Tips for teachers. Making chemistry come alive in the classroom. Use demonstrations. Bring chemistry concepts to life with exciting visuals. Encourage group activities. Foster collaboration and peer learning. Relate chemistry to everyday life. Make connections to the world around them. Use technology. Engage students with interactive simulations and videos. Section 8. Safety first. Chemistry with care. Safety is important when doing any experiment. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Don't taste or smell any chemicals unless instructed by an adult. Clean up spills immediately and wash your hands thoroughly after experiments. Ask an adult for help when needed. Section 9. Inspiring a lifelong love of science. Chemistry is more than just a school subject. It's a way of understanding the world around us. By fostering curiosity, encouraging exploration, and making learning fun, we can inspire a lifelong love of science in children. Remember, every great scientist started with a single question and a thirst for discovery.